Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare cod liver oil capsules versus omega-3. We will explore their distinct nutritional profiles and health benefits. Understanding these differences helps you choose the best supplement for your needs. We'll cover their unique components, how they impact your body, and what to consider when making your selection. Let's dive into the details. Cod liver oil is a powerhouse, naturally rich in fat-soluble vitamins. It provides significant amounts of vitamin D, vital for strong bones and a robust immune system. You also get vitamin A, which supports healthy vision and skin. Plus, it delivers beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, making it a comprehensive supplement for overall wellness. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Omega-3 supplements, particularly fish oil, focus on delivering high doses of EPA and DHA. These fatty acids are critical for brain function, mood regulation, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Many formulations are highly purified, ensuring you receive potent benefits without unwanted contaminants. They are excellent for targeted cardiovascular support. When choosing, remember cod liver oil offers a broader nutrient profile with vitamins and D. Omega-3 supplements typically provide more concentrated EPA and DHA. If you need extra vitamins, cod liver oil might be better. If you're targeting specific omega-3 benefits, a dedicated omega-3 supplement could be ideal. Always align with your health goals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.